All right, so this is the 19 ERD. All right, there you go. So this one here at the show, $27,995. This one's a little bit longer, 23 feet 7 inches, 3,000 pounds, 3,090 pounds dry. So this has a complete different layout. When you come in, you have your dinette to the rear, and the dinette is movable, so you can move that wherever you want. You can take it outside. It does convert down to become part of the, make a bed. You got some big cabinets up above that go all the way through.
Actually, they don't. There's a
Oh,
the radio
oh yeah,
there,
okay, that's
so
good.
They are
Yeah.
separated.
All right, awesome. You know what? The funny thing is, I really prefer it that way myself.
Too.
You do have a little shelf back here behind that side, little galley kitchen, big sink. Maybe they could go with a smaller sink. I don't know, but a big pull-down faucet, if you will, sprayer. You got 3 drawers down here at the bottom. Pull one of them out for you. They're tiny, but you know, you can still put some stuff in there. Your high point microwave, 3-burner stove, little mini oven. As you come over here, your TV would mount right there. There's all your connections, as well as all the controls for moving things around in here. All right, there's your Furrion refrigerator. I'm gonna go with 12 volt again. This is a 12 volt refrigerator freezer. Now this is sort of a split bathroom. I gotta give this to Lisa. All right, you have your shower on one side, and then God, that bothers me. All right, so you got your shower over here. It's kind of narrow this way, but you do have plenty of head height. And so in fact, I don't even have to stand in the bubble here.
Nice.
Okay, so this is great. Though I am gonna have to shower sideways because there's a shelf here on the wall right here, and then the door. It's too tight. This is where I'm standing naturally. I'm outside the shower. Okay. Anyway, so I would just have to shower like this. All right. You also now, Lisa, let's flip flop. Come back here into the bedroom.
I'll just come in here.
Okay, that's perfect.
Okay.
All right. So when you open this door, there's a pin right there that you can use to keep the door closed. So this shuts off. This now becomes one big bathroom, right? And there's a curtain there. So you now have, it's not a split bathroom anymore, right? The toilet's in a great place, right? Tall and fluffy approved, guys. At my height of 6'4", this is awesome. Great countertop space in here. There's a little shelf back in here, and a little bit of space underneath the vanity, as well as your mirror and I don't know why I can't remember what that is. Your medicine cabinet. I just can't remember medicine cabinet now. That's because we've been doing this for nearly 25 hours. I'm not. Again, this is probably not quite a residential size mattress.
I would agree.
There's storage underneath. It's hard to see because of the. There you go.
There we go.
And a tank there as well. You can put a TV back here. This is the same cabinetry like before. You have a little hanging space there and some space to put your clothes up top. So there's another 19.
Yay.
All right, so we got a couple Vista Cruisers in for you guys, for Jesse. So again, this was the 19 ERD.